Hello and welcome back to another episode of Brick Squared. Today we will be building the Lego Technic set. This is 42057 Ultralight Helicopter, 199 pieces for ages 8 through 14. Now, this set, we actually built the experimental aircraft here, right? Experimental aircraft. This set is actually already done. I'm going to deconstruct it for you and null it for you, and then redo it. But I wanted to kind of do this in reverse, show you a finished product, which some of my viewers have expressed interest in. Hey, show us what it looks like first, and then go ahead and build it. So this is a departure from the way we usually do things, which is unbox, take it apart. Well, not take it apart, but unbox, dump out the contents, and build it there. This is already done, and this is what it looks like. As you can see when you're doing this, the pistons here are moving. That's pretty cool, right? That part. But this is the experimental plane, and I'm gonna take this all apart. It'll look all pretty on the table, and then we'll build it. And then you'll have to leave comments or suggestions or whatever you like. If you like this more, or if you like, hey, just unbox it and build it, and then at the end, show me what it looks like. Now, the other thing I could do is unbox it. I could show you what it looks like, then show you the unboxing, because it's just all editing techniques, right? At the end, I can just do an intro part and then put that in the beginning, even though it's actually at the end. So let me know what you like. If you want to see the finished build first, and then the unboxing, or if you like the unboxing and straight to the build, and then show you the end product. It's kind of like a surprise. Let me know what you like. All right. So we will begin shortly. Hello and welcome back. We have just finished knolling apart the experimental plane. This is the box that comes in. Of course, it's the ultralight helicopter, but it's a 2-in-1, right? So yeah, let's open this up and get started. So it should be, I think it's one bag. Could be two. I know it's 2 books, and you get a bunch of nice pretty stickers that, of course, I never put on. Okay, so this looks like the helicopter. This looks like the plane that we already built that we're going to rebuild. Now, if you want to see what it looks like, I would recommend that you know your Technic parts. If it's, I said that if it's more than 300 pieces, you should know it. Oh, and then all that means is just kind of categorizing them into either shape or color or whatever. But Technic sets are really a bit more complex. As you can see, the age group is 8 to 14, not 7 to 12 or 5 to 12 or whatever. So it gets a little more complicated, and it's a lot easier to do if your parts are all categorized. All right, so if you want to see what it looks like, let me pan up here and zoom out. You have all the white pieces here. You have Hulk joining us. You've got some red pieces. You've got black pieces, the propeller. You've got the blue pieces, the pins, the grays, and the tires are over here, and the dark grays, and you have a couple yellows. So it's not a lot of pieces, 199, under 200 pieces. But as you can see, if you don't do this, it's going to take a little more time looking for the pieces while you're building. So this should be about where you get a good view. Let's do that, and then let's get started. All right. So, step 1, grab one of these long rails, I guess, with the holes in them. One of these. I'm wearing a white shirt, not a dark brown or a black shirt, so it makes it a lot easier to see for you guys from different angles. And it looks like you're gonna grab a blue pin. Okay, and you're gonna count. And this is nice. This is a 1-for-1. So you could actually overlay it and see that it is 1-for-1. And it looks like from the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth pin in, you're gonna put that pin. Now, this pin is short on one side and long on the other side. Now, I'm not sure you could tell. Maybe I can get it to focus just right. No, no luck. I don't have a macro lens. A macro lens would probably help that, or a cameraman. You can probably see it from the front camera, right? You can see that this side is the short, this side is the long. Actually, if I put it in, you'll see it like this. See, it won't go in anymore. But if I put it in the other side, it goes all the way through, right? So you want to put it in the short pin. And it's the fourth one in, so boom, there you go. Just to be aware of that, all right? After that, we're going to grab this black piece, and it looks like one side's going to be a dowel and one side's going to be a pin. And then you're going to get a red dowel, and you're going to do something like that, right? And then that will go right there, looking like that. Okay. So that is step 2. 3, you're going to get the brown dowel. It looks like the third hole. And then you're going to get a light gray. I guess this is a stopper. For me, it's a stopper. Now, another note about this. One side is all round, and the other side kind of like has a dowel, a cross shaped, right? That side, this side is all round. You want to put the all round side in. In fact, if you put it the other way, it will work, but that's not what you want. Right? So that is 3. Then you're going to set that aside. 4, you're going to grab a L-shaped white piece. And it looks like you're going to get 2 pins. Actually, you're going to grab 2 of these, it looks like. Because you're going to need one. 2 black pins from this side. So it looks like one right there and one right next to it. Right? Oh, nope. One is on this side. Yes. Okay. So there's a pin on this side, and there's a pin from that side. That's step 4. For 5, it looks like you're going to grab one of these long ones. And this is going to come from this side, and it's going to go all the way through. So you'll have 2 pins on this side. You have this piece sticking out. And then you need a gray piece. That one side is a dowel cross, as you can see. Right? And then this side is just a regular pin. Right? So with that said, you're going to put the dowel in, and it's going to stick out a little bit. That's 5. Now, I'm wondering how long this is going to take. This might be cut up into two episodes if it's too long. Okay. You're going to need this gray. It looks like a coupler. You're going to put that there. For 6. For 7, it looks like this other piece is finally going to connect. Like that. And then you're going to use a blue pin with a dowel on one side. For next to it. Flip this over. Flip this over like that. And then take this. Then what? Plug this in on the last 2. Like that. Okay. So that's step 9. That's what it shows in the book. So you want something that looks like that. 10. 10. I need one of these pieces, and I need, looks like one of these pieces. And this piece goes like that. Have it like this. And you're going to need these white pieces. Do that. Now, last week I saw The Hitman's Bodyguard with my buddy, son, and his kids love Legos, and he said get a small Legos Star Wars set. Unfortunately, I really want to do the X-Wing, and he's not going to get his kids the X-Wing, so I'm hoping he'll get his kids the Ultralight helicopter, which is they can get it, but I understand not wanting to spoil your kids. I really do. You want your kids to value, For step 12, you're going to need these 2 black dowels. You want your kids to value the, to understand the value of money. So from here, you're going to need this piece. No? One of these pieces. It looks like this, right? It's well, you'll see it. You'll see it on the screen, the overlay, but it looks like 2 dowels and there's a hole right there. That'll go right there like that. And along with that, you're going to have this white piece with the pins. Nope, wrong way. So you should have something like that by the end of 13. And then here you're going to grab 2 blue pins. 2 blue pins. And it looks like you're not going to put them in all the way. You're going to put them in halfway. There and there. So you should have something like that. Then it says flip it over like this. And what am I doing next? Put this in here. Like that. That is really funky now. This does not look like an experimental plane at all. But I did build this once, and I did use the instructions, so it must work. So anyway, son, I'm hoping that you can get Fee or Dan this set, and it could be a real good test to see if they could build a Technic set without the instructions, just following the video. Okay, so this is 16. That's done. Let's set that aside. Next, we're going to need this long black piece and a short gray piece. And what are we going to do? We're going to need one of these things again. This is going to go through about halfway, and this will go through about halfway as well. Something like that. You need these red pieces for the end. I'm kind of OCD, so oops. Oh, I guess it is like that. Yep. Can't change that. That's 18. Okay. 19 shows me needing one of these pieces. There. And then a red, this weird red piece, 2 pins and a circle. There. That is 1920 says, hey, that's great. Close that up and should work. There it is. So you should have something like this at the end of 20. Okay. Then 21, you're going to grab these 2 blue pins and they go in halfway. And then it shows you to stand it up like this. For 22, leave that to the side. Okay. Need one of these. That probably fits. And you're going to grab your yellow pieces now. Where does this go? You're going to have something like this. Then you're going to have these pieces. It looks like one piece is going to be like this, like the book has. And the other piece is going to be opposite. And that's how it's going to fit. And then you're going to have, wait a minute, I'm missing something. So there's that. You have this piece. Is that what it looks like? I guess so. And these are just going to fit like that. Okay. And then what? Okay. Then you need this piece. That's like this. And this is going to go through that. Then you need this big gear. Okay. That's 24. That looks right. Oh, grab these gray pieces and one of these pieces. Let's see. Looks like this is saying put this in the top, put this in here, like that, right? So you're gonna put this piston in, and this is gonna connect like that. Oh, okay. Then turn this over. Now what? Oh, you're gonna do the other side. Okay, so grab one of these and what part is that? One of these. Put this in the top. Like that. Put this piston in. It should fit. There you go. There is that. That fits, and now when you turn this, you could actually see the piston working. Right? Pretty cool. Okay, that's 27, 28. And then 29 shows these two white pieces with the red dowel in it. So let's do that. So you have that. And then these go onto the blue pieces. Ah. So you see how these, oops. So you need to put the piston in, right? The black piece needs to hook up to the dowel. And then this should line up this piece right here for this blue pin to push through. See? Maybe you can see it better right there. Thinking that's how it's going to work. Maybe not. There it is. So now when you do this, right, it's not flimsy. Like this is flimsy. This can still come out, right? But this piece right here, this hole, this blue pin is going to push through, right? So you're going to push this through, and it's going to lock that down. So let me do this. that there, plug this in. So you need to line up 3 things, and then this would just push through. There, that's better. I guess that was actually on step. Yep, that's step 28. Push the pins. Okay, so step 29, we have these pieces, and they just go onto the blue pin like that. And that. That's 29. 30. 30 says grab one of these. Put one of these on there. Put this through the red. And then put that there. Now that adds some friction so it doesn't just go super fast. Okay, so that's 30. 31. 31 shows this piece with the 40. Make sure it's the one with the 40 because there's another one that looks like it but has no color, has no decals on it. So there's that. And you are going to plug this in like that and then grab this piece. And that should just plug in like that. Is that right? Looks like a long piece. It's got to be right. It shows it kind of flush in step 32, but I can't really tell. I cannot tell. Maybe this is the wrong piece. Maybe I need this piece. I bet you I need this piece. Flush. So, you see, there are 2 dark gray pieces. And if I was smart, I would do this. I'll show you. A 1-to-1. If I was smart, I would have done that instead of used the wrong piece. Right? So use the right piece. So this piece goes through there. This black piece, cog, goes there. And then this number 40 plugs that in. And then you have this. And then that's flush. So before, I had this piece sticking out like this, right? This one there was still space. All right, so that looks good. Okay. That's 32. And it looks like this will connect with this somehow. And I don't know how. It looks like these blue pins are going to plug into this and this, these 2 holes. I don't like that. Maybe like that. Make sure this yellow dowel goes through. So I'm going to see if I can plug this in. Oh, just push that. It looks like it stays. So, have your pistons working. And this is probably where the propeller is. Okay, so now turn this around is what it says. And I don't know what this means. Oh, I'm missing one. Oh, that's what it is. So these are like this, right? You're going to turn these down, and then you're going to push this red piece through. Like that. Right? Push this red piece through. It should connect. Now that will stay in place. Right? These 2 pieces were up. You're going to push them down, and you push this pin through. Okay, so that's 33, 1, 2, 3. Yep, I see it. I see it right here. Great. Okay, now turn this upside down and put the propeller on. Guess it doesn't matter. This is the propeller. And I think that's 34. 35 looks like you're going to get one of these pieces. And you put a gray dowel in, light gray. Like that. And then you're going to get two of these black pieces. One to the left, one to the right. Left goes on first, the right. Then you get a blue pin from this side. Oh, the other way. Like that. And then with this, let's see. You can grab one of these L-shaped. Plug that in. Right? And then, oh no, that's wrong. Okay, so this goes here. This L-shaped, this goes here, black pin. And the second pin, you're going to push through the blue. It should look like that. Right? That's 38. 39 shows you with a long pin. See me measure here, it's a 1 for 1. And this goes oh, you're gonna need one of these. So it goes like that. And then this goes through both. That it's like a 1 for 1. So you can see what it looks like. Pretty accurate, actually. Wow. You did a good job. So from here, you're going to need the yoke. You're going to need a blue pin. You need a gray, one of these gray pieces. It looks like gray piece from this side. Blue pin goes through. And then this goes like that. And then this goes on top. Like that. For 41. 42 looks like you need this white piece and a dark gray pin with a dowel. Put that through the bottom and push this to the middle. Something like that. On the other side, you're going to need this piece now. You're going to need a blue with a dowel. You need a black pin on the second. Yeah, I think it's the second. And then this should just plug in like this. So these three pieces are open, as you can see. Open, open, open. This should just go slide in like that. Very nice. Okay. There's that part. Now, do something with the wheel. Take the big tire, the rim, that there. Grab the mocha colored pin, push that through. And then for this, you're going to get 21 and 22. Here's 21. That's another 21. And that's 22. So you should have pieces that look like this, right? Rather, like that. And you put stickers on them, 16, 17, which are right here, 16 and 17. That's for that one. And this is for 22 gets 16, and 21 gets 17. And it looks like you're going to put this in the second hole. Oops. That. Second hole. And the second hole. So you should have something like this by the end of 45. Now this, you're going to get... here are these two guys. That's where they come into play. So it's going to go right here and here. Right? So something like that. And it looks like this is going to go, this is the yoke, so this is going to go through here and here. Guessing. It looks kind of funky. I'm hoping that's the right one. Then you get 21 and 22 again. Get a set. So these are stickers 12 and 8. 21 gets 8, 22 gets 12. And it looks like that. So something like that for 48. 49. Looks like you need to put a pin here. And it's going to come from this side all the way through. Okay. 50. You need 2 of these, and it looks like some of these. So something like that, and that, and these. These should go like this. And should have that for 50. $51 looks like. Now, Fee can already do most of these, and he's probably going to be the mechanical engineer. No, Dan. Sorry. Fee, I don't know what he's going to do. There's that. And I think, oh, that's how it is. Take this, and one side's gray and one side's black. You should be able to slide it on there, just like that. And then this is going to connect. Here's this, and these 2 pins right here are going to connect to the front part right here. Right? These 2 pins are going to connect to this. So I'll do it like this so you can see. Just like that. Or a top view. And then the brown dowel should be there still. That's 52. 53 looks like we're doing the chair. Stickers on the chair. Pilot's chair. This is sticker 4 and 11. So 11 goes on the bottom and 4 goes right there. Make sure you put that on properly. And as always, if this is the first video you've seen, Lego recommends you put some Windex on here, I think is what they wrote. And then you put the decal on, and then you position it, and then just let it dry. Because if you put the decal on and you don't place it right, well, you've got other problems then. It doesn't look that good if you do that. So I think the seat does this. You need the chair there, and then you need one of these bits to stop it. And you have that. And I guess it just sits there because I don't know what happens in the back. Okay, so we'll put that aside. 55 looks like you're going to grab one of these and you're going to build the other side of this. You're going to need this and 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one, take the short pin side, plug that in, and then you're going to need this piece. Plug this in. Oops, before you do that, you're going to need this. A blue dowel. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You should have something like that by the end of 56. And then this goes on this side, it looks like. How does this go? This goes out. Oh, there it is. So this is going to connect to, yeah. You could see this matches up with this right here, right? It matches up like that, right? So you're going to put this piece right here. It's probably easier to line up with the 3 in the back than the 3 in the front because there's an open space here, and you might put this one up. In which case, as you can see, this one's be a little further up, so you want to match it, this side and this side, right? So if you want to do that, use the back as a reference, and there are 3 open in the back, 2 of these, and the 3 open in the front, and a bunch open in the middle, of course. So I'm going to do it that way. And that's it, right? That's 57. 58, you're going to need some of these pieces. Yeah. So these get stickers. This gets a 13, it looks like. I think a number 2 gets sticker 13, and this is number, I think this is number 1. Here's 2. Maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. Two. This looks like either a slash or a number 1. Can't tell. Maybe I'll take pictures of it, photos, and that'll be an easier way to tell. So anyway, 2 gets number 13 sticker, and it looks like these get stickers too. It looks like you're going to need that pretty soon. So flip this over, put one of these in the second, and then flip that and leave that like that, and then take one of these and put sticker 14 on it on the end. It should go like that, right? And then this, take a blue dowel with a pin on the other side, like that, and this will go in the corner. Should have something like that. Is that right? I think so. Shows it like this, with this blade this way. That's 60. And then you're going to take a blue pin. You're going to push it halfway. Right there. And then what? Then it shows you doing something crazy. Where does this go? This goes over here. So this is this way. This is this way. Like that? I think that's how it goes. So if you're paying attention, it just goes on like that. I bet you this is gonna push in. Yep, for 63, it shows you pushing this piece in, and that piece is going to stay there. So that's pretty stable. Okay, I can deal with that. 63 pushes that in. 64, you're going to build the other side. So you're going to need another one of these. And this goes like this. So this goes here, like that. And then you need a blade with a dowel, and it goes in the front, like so. Yes. Then this goes like that. It should mirror. Yes. Then this is going to go halfway in, and then this will go like this. Right? Boom. And then you could pin this down. It works, which I know it does. Oh, there it is. Okay, so, and that takes stickers as well. That was sticker 15 and sticker 14 again. 15, sticker 14. 68, we're done with that. We're almost done here. And we're at 40 minutes, so maybe I'll chop this into 20-minute chunks. So we pin that in, and then this is going to go here. Okay. This is going to go here, through here, through there. And this has this pin. So you're going to do something like that to put the cockpit chair, have it stationary. Okay. That is 70. Okay. Then you need these pieces and these pieces. Looks like. So, okay, I see. Obviously, this piece here is going to go there. Oh, put this in first, and then put this down. It'll be easier that way. Okay, so this piece goes here. And if you put this in first, there's no way, well, you'd have to really bend it to get this in. So put it in there first, and then just move this down like that. Right? There's that. And then it looks like the landing gear, and we're about done. Okay, so you got your rims and your tires. These on. Like so. There you go. You have these two vanilla frappuccino colored pieces. And they go to this. And the other side goes to that. So you should have something like that. By the time you're done. Grab this black piece, put this in, put that in, and then this plugs into that. Ah, perfect. You do two of those, and it looks like these go right into this red piece right here. There. On the other side. Like that. Boom. Ooh, nice. And then it looks like we just have a bunch of wings to do. There are no extra pieces because we already made it and we knolled it. The extra pieces are right here for the helicopter probably, but we'll build that next. So you're gonna take number 3. This is number 3. There are numbers in here. That's 4. Take number 3 and take sticker 2 and put that on there. And then here you're gonna put in 2 pins in the first and third. Skip the middle. And then you're gonna grab this piece and this piece. And you're gonna do that. And then this is going to do that. And then, this gets, okay. So this is 22. 22 gets sticker 10. Sticker 10, put the dowel on there, like that, and that will plug in like that. So the other side, you're gonna do the same thing. Let's see if we can remember. 1 and 3, right? This goes together. This goes on the outside. This would be wrong, right? This goes on the outside of the wing. This is the outside of the wing. This is the inside. Put this and this together. And I'm sure this gets a sticker, which I'll tell you in a second. Then you have 2 pieces. This is called mirroring, not cloning. And the other one, there's the sticker. Take sticker 9. So 21, 21 take sticker 9. And number 4 take sticker 1. So there you go. So now this looks like here. Where does this go? Oh, right there. Easy, where the blue pins are. And we have finished our experimental aircraft. 45 minutes. I'll chop this up in 20-minute chunks. And this is what it looks like. It's cool that when you spin the propeller, the actual pieces move. And it does roll. And we're going to see if you can put somebody in it. We will put Tony Stark, Iron Man, because he's not always flying in his iron suit. He likes to fly ultralights in his spare time. Let's see if I can move this. Take this off. Just like this. There's Tony in here. Obviously, it doesn't totally fit. Fine. He's it looks like it does fit. Oh, this is so funny. And there you go. Iron Man. It does fit. I wonder if I can get the, it's be a little hard to get the him to put his hands on the steering column, on the yoke. Does it fit? It does. Oh, look at that. Oh, perfect. Gotta get a picture of this. This is so funny. Okay, Iron Man had a arc reactor problem and is flying an experimental aircraft built by Stark Industries. Catch him in the next series, the Avenger Infinity Wars, and I get no money for that, okay? We're plugging those guys. But it is a good series. Enjoy that when it hits in, I don't know, 2018, 2019. But there's Tony Stark flying the Ultralight, the experimental aircraft. I'll see if he fits in the helicopter as well. Phil and Dan, I hope you enjoyed. Mike Jr., if your dad will get you this set, then you can build it. I didn't mention you in the beginning because I don't know if you're just a Star Wars guy, if you're a Technic guy as well, but I know that Phil and Dan, their dad will get them a Technic set. $20, son. $20. You can do it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.